Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Well, by now you will have seen the explosion in AI-related services. We've covered ChatGPT and Whisper AI on recent shows, but one area that's developing at a rapid pace is the creation of digital imagery using artificial intelligence. One such service is Midjourney. So in this week's tip show, I'm going to give you a quick start on how to access and use the service. I can pretty much guarantee that you'll be blown away at the quality of the images that it can create. Now, firstly, you will need a Discord account. Now, Discord is a service separate from Midjourney, but you will need an account, and you can use either a Mac app or the web or an iPhone app as well. But I'm going to go to discord.com and download the Mac app. And once I've unpacked the DMG file and copied it to the applications folder, let's go ahead and open the Mac app using Alfred. So once you open the Mac app, you may find that it will download some updates, but we'll just let those carry through to completion. And I'm going to create a new account. So I'll click on the register link, then just complete my email, my username and password, and enter a date of birth, agree to the terms, and then click continue. Now I need to verify that I'm human. And then once we're done that, we're in. Now, I'll just switch over to my email account and find the email and click on the verify link. And basically that's it. Your Discord account is now set up. The next stage is to create a Midjourney account. So I'll go across to midjourney.com and sign in. Now, as we're already logged into Discord, it's prompting me to authorize using my Discord user. So that's all fine. I'll go ahead and click authorize. At the time of recording, it's not possible to access a free trial, mainly due to the sheer user demand on the service. So I'm just going to sign up for the $10 monthly billing. You can always bump up your subscription if you find you're using it a lot, or you can cancel it later on if you find you're not using it at all. So let me just go ahead and enter my credit card details. And with those entered, the subscription is now activated. And within this dialog box, we have a link to go to Discord and use the Midjourney bot. So let's click on that. And on the next screen, we'll just say accept invite, verify the captcha, and we'll also allow the page to open Discord. Now it has opened it in the browser, but I can go ahead and switch across to the Discord app to access it over there. Click on the Midjourney icon in the sidebar and tap on Home. So let's go ahead and close the browser down and stick with the Mac app. Now within the app, you'll find some tips on using Discord. These are these pulsating roundels, such as the one next to info. If I click on there, it just explains these are the various channels. And this one over here allows you to create your own server. But I'll just say skip all tips for now. In the middle section, you can see the artwork that's already been generated by other users. And as you can see, a lot of it is pretty incredible. Let's go ahead and make our own. So in the sidebar, let's go to the Newbies 42 channel. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.